Today it's Thursday, October 3rd, 2024. This video is for the CDL, for the Golf, for the engine of the Golf. Yeah. I remove the block from the engine stand and I put it here. This and this shelf, 1, 2, it's for the Golf, alright? I put some parts here. I haven't inspected all the parts and I haven't washed all the parts. Clearly, you see the cylinder head? It's not been touched. The cover, I clean it, I wrap it there to be nice and clean. The intake manifold, I haven't opened it yet. A couple of other parts here that's been washed and it's been inspected. Because there was also one question from the owner, from my friend actually, regarding the oil leak. Okay, 1 second. Let's go one step back. First thing first. I don't know what are we gonna do with this engine, to be honest, if I'm gonna build it or not. They didn't say to me, close it back as it was, or wait for a new block or whatever. That's not my call, and it's not my business also. Whatever they're gonna tell me, I'm gonna do it. If, let us say, they want the parts back assembled or in parts, there is no problem at all. I'm gonna wrap with nylon, carefully placed in a box, I'm gonna give it back again, and the next guy, he's gonna find nice and clean parts. I'm gonna put together also the balance shafts with the oil pump, obviously. I'm not gonna leave it open. If it comes a time and if they say to me that they want it back, nothing wrong with that, no problem, no hard feeling. The same thing also for the rest. Now, I want to clear the washing area there because I have to open more engines. And that's why I have to bring it here inside to release the space from there. I have also the 177. Oh boy. Yeah, never mind. CDL, what's my point? There was one question, did you find from where it's leaking oil? And my answer was, how can I see from where it's leaking oil when it doesn't have exhaust manifold, when it does have a turbocharger, when it's not mounted, how many parts? How you want me? I cannot even start the car, I cannot crank the car. If I see something, I'll let you know. That was my answer. Okay, makes sense? Because on the state, when they bring me the car, like I said, it didn't have exhaust manifold, it didn't have a turbocharger, the turbocharger oil lines was hanging there. It can leak from anywhere, right? And now I just finished washing the oil pan. And well, if you see the oil pan, it's nice and good, decent. I don't see any crack whatsoever, okay? Lovely, nice and washed, nice surfaces without any problem. That's the front side. Let's watch it also from the other side. Not dirt, honest oil pan. Honest, I'm talking about. You see how it looks like the aluminum. It's okay. It's not a new model. It's not new design. Now inside looks fine. The threads here for the plastic cover that comes here. I open the bolts. It's nice. This for the turbocharger oil return. Nice surfaces. They're gonna seal beautiful without any problem whatsoever. Where's the problem? I'm gonna show you where's the problem. Here's the problem. Take it. Somebody, once upon a time, he bolt a long bolt here and he reached inside into the oil pan. So I believe that the leak, it was from there. What needs to be done here? Nothing much. I'm gonna just eat it a little bit with the Dremel, clean it up a little bit, and then I'm gonna weld it to close this area to don't have a leak. And then, you know what's the irony? That the bracket that had here had a short bolt. So that means whoever did that, he understand what he did and then he put a short bolt. Probably. I have no clue who was before. But it doesn't matter. And doesn't matter. Now, like I said, I don't know if I'm gonna be the one who's gonna close the engine. I don't know if I'm gonna close it with the previous block or with a new block, or if they will gonna get all the parts, let us say, in pieces. Nothing wrong with that. What I'm gonna do from my side, I'm gonna weld also this one. I'm gonna clean it up. I'm gonna weld it to be ready because the oil pan, other than this, it does have any problem. Here, let us say, where it steps the oil level sensor, it's beautiful, no problem. The threads here, where it's mounted, the transmission, it does have any problem. So it's the same, you know, it's not a good thing to keep it like that, right? It's a healthy part. It's a healthy part. Forget about that, this from LS2. So that's what I'm gonna do. It's not gonna take some time. I will just clean it to make sure that don't come dirt up when I'm gonna weld it. That's why we're gonna clean this area, like I said. I'm gonna weld it, I'm gonna wash it again to don't have metallic shavings, wrapping with nylon, and then goes back to the customer. At least now he knows from where it was leaking. Yep. I'm not gonna stop the video here. I'm gonna show you how it looks like when I'm gonna weld it. Yeah. I clean it up a little bit. I put also some brake cleaner there. I blow with air. I'm gonna go with the torch with a very low amperes with a pedal. Slowly roll around. I hope that it's not gonna start coming black. I have another solution for that. I can put one Allen bolt, short one, that's gonna be fitted inside with some red Loctite. It's gonna end up to be the same. Yeah, okay, we're gonna see about that. But you know what, let me attempt to weld it. Alright, looks decent. Let's see how it's gonna end up. I hope to don't make it worse. Looks decent. I mean, as soon as it didn't came black smoke, this is a good sign, right? And I don't think so we're gonna touch anything here. It's far away. It's not that much high. I'm gonna have a look on it just in case. It looks okay. I'm gonna leave it to cool it down by itself. I'm not gonna touch it. Let's remove the ground from here. I brought also one stand. What did I use to weld it? I have no clue. I used this machine. I use argon. One electrode, the tungsten, how it's called, this one. They have right to me behind what is what. This is for aluminium, and this is also for aluminium. This is different size, and the other one is supposed to be for steel. Yeah, we have also the pedal. No need anymore. Let's put back in there. Fine. I don't know what I use. I use this kind of rod here. This rod is 4049. It's out of focus. Wait. 4043. Sorry. Yeah. This came with a machine. The first ceramic, this one, I broke it by mistake. It fell down and I break it. Yeah, stuff like that. Leave it to cool down, like I said. It's still hot. I'm not gonna file it. I'm gonna clean it with a wire brush to look a little bit better. Yeah, later. Back inside of the engine room. Looks decent. I put a little bit of petrol here and I blow with air with a gun just to see if it's crying from anywhere, but I didn't show anything. Should be fine. Yeah, just like I said, small update, mostly for the owner, like another time. I'm gonna wrap it now with nylon, I'm gonna continue with the rest. That's it. Thank you very much. Over and out. The surface here is beautiful. It didn't have any problem. It didn't get, I don't know, this word, I cannot pronounce this word correct. Yeah, it's flat. Thank you.